Alright, we're getting ready to grind this 620 crank that's all whooped out. The rods are already 10, the mains are already 20, so we're going to try to go 20 on the rods and 30 on the mains. Look how out of round that journal is from wear and everything else. So I've got my Arnold gauge right on there, so we're going to go ahead and grind this. Alright, let's grind a rod journal on our F140 Continental, our 620 gray. Touch the radius here a little bit. Let's see where we're at here. We'll bring the gauge down. Alright, got a little bit to go yet. We're not around, but we'll correct that here with our steady rest. Just to get her around here. Alright, there's our 620 Graymarine crank all done. Just finished with the first polish. We got one more polish to go, but came out nice. It is 20 on the rods, 30 on the mains. So she's ready to go. Honing the gray 620 out to 60 over. We only got 20 to go, so we'll use the hone instead of the boring bar. Alright, had to bring out the old ring filer to file the rings on our Graymarine 620, 60 over, so we gotta cut these guys. They're about 13, 14 thousandths spring end gap on this old girl. Keep going, about another 5 to go. All right, let's check that gap. Pretty good, loose 14, that's okay. There you go, there's our ring gap on our 620, all done. Second the head off the 620. It was worth about 6,000, so I'm taking a 6,000 cut here. All right, our gray's getting close here. We'll go ahead and prime it up. I'm just gonna go ahead and crank the motor over. Cool. Let's start it up. All right, let's shot pop the old gray 620. I have not touched this yet. I had no spark. I just was checking before I cranked it over, so the insulator piece was shorted in the distributor, so I got that fixed. So let's, I don't know which one the starter is, red. All right, here we go. No water, no nothing. That's awesome. I haven't set timing, just a carburetor, nothing. Go. There's your shot pop, hook water to her and see how she goes. Well, there's our gray 620. Listen to that thing. Just the timing, just the carburetor. They're a good engine. Let it idle that low. It would stall, but it just goes to show you how good these things run. 1957 Islander. Shut our water off here. Putting down Lake Erie with this old girl. Well, there she is, folks. 620 gray for a 1957 18-foot Lyman Islander. All right, let's do a hot restart of our gray 620 here. Yeah, I think you're gonna get anything better than that. We'll ship her.